Hey guys, GifTV Trains here. Welcome back to another trains video. We're talking about everything but mostly trains. Today I have got a 7.5 gauge haul video. So right here what I've got is a 7.5 gauge speeder. I'm super excited about it. This is going to go along with my other 7.5 gauge train, which I have a Santa Fe SW9, which is pretty awesome, and a couple of cars. But we recently picked up the speeder on Sunday, and yeah, I'm super excited about it. Right now I have this part off. This part comes off so you can work on the engine, and I was just playing around with it, trying to see like better ways to run it and stuff like that. But yeah, it's got a 5 horsepower motor, 2 couplers, which I'm gonna have to put safety chains on, which it doesn't have. But yeah, that's what it looks like under there, the transmission and stuff like that. It's got a Brigman's Stratman motor. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but yeah, I'm super excited about it. And so when I was running around the speeder, the guy who sold it to us also had this car. He didn't know what to do with it since it doesn't really look good with anything else but the speeder. So he gave us the car too. That's really nice of him. And it hooks up to the speeder, and they look really nice together. Yeah, I'll show you a video of me starting up the engine and running it back and forth, and yeah. All right. Yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the speeder. Can't wait to take it out and run it on my on the Prairie State train layout. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.